In today's breaking news, we're taking a journey through our solar system to meet the planet. First up, we have Mercury, the smallest planet, known for its extreme temperatures due to its proximity to the Sun. Venus follows with its thick atmosphere and intense heat, often referred to as Earth's twin. Next is Earth, the only planet known to support life, where we face our own geopolitical tensions on a daily basis. Mars, the red planet, has long captured our attention thanks to its intriguing potential for future colonization. Jupiter, the largest planet, boasts a stunning array of storms and the Great Red Spot, a giant storm that has lasted for centuries. Saturn, famous for its stunning rings, reminds us of the intricate beauty of our universe amidst our earthly challenges. Uranus, an ice giant, is unique for its axial tilt, which causes its extreme seasonal variations. Neptune, the furthest planet, is known for its deep blue color and strong winds, a world of mystery and intrigue. As we navigate through these worlds, one must consider how these celestial bodies reflect our own global conflicts and unity. Space exploration continues to be a point of international collaboration amid ongoing geopolitical tensions on Earth. The discovery of exoplanets has further sparked interest in the politics of space resources and territorial claims. We must also discuss the role of technology in today's military as nations invest in space capability. As we approach crucial elections, space policy becomes an important topic influencing voter decisions. Sanctions and diplomacy extend beyond Earth, reminding us of the need for collaboration in the face of global challenges. With climate change affecting our planet, the importance of studying other worlds has never been more relevant. Now, consider the idea of global exploration leading to peace or further conflict as resources are sought. We must forge ahead, united in exploration, to understand more about ourselves and the universe. The quest for knowledge across our solar system is endless, paralleling the challenges we face on Earth. What do you think about this? Drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel for more updates.